Greetings everyone. Today I would like to continue my talk on Buddha and Buddhism, and there are a few things you need to know about Buddhism. There's many questions about Buddhism, and of course the main question is going to be, why do people follow Buddhism? Why I need to follow Buddhism? And what's the goal of this religion? So, in this book, a book called Budmurinjig, or The Way to Enlightenment, this is going to be a Mongolian and Tibetan Buddhist Bible. There is one question. The reason why you seek for salvation. So, the reason why you worship to this religion, it is because of salvation. It is believed that Buddha and his teachings and his followers, lamas, can offer you real salvation, and no other god, no other land spirit or deity can offer you a good, real salvation. So salvation is the main reason why you worship to a religion, and religion is based on the idea that you need to save your soul. According to shamanism, it is believed that human soul is not immortal. Human soul can be lost forever, and you need to do certain stuff in order to save your soul, and or worship to a god in order to save your immortal like existence. So religion is all about being a part of a immortal club. So let's read this reason. There is many reasons why you seek salvation. This your mortal life will not last for a long time. You will die soon. Meaning, after you die, you cannot choose your next life. That's the problem. Things happen due to a karma, and only karma will decide what will happen to you in your next life. If you do good things, it has a less effect on karma. You do 1,000 good things, but still karma will not be not be good for you. But if you do bad stuff, it will have a great effect on karma. That is why almost everyone born in a bad karma or in a bad condition. Нэгүгээр хэлэх юм бол муу заяан төрхөөс айх, түүнээс эрхэм 3 эрдэнэ л аварч чадна гэдэг итгэл үнэмшил хоёр нь аврал эрх шалтгаан юм. So if you make it short term, there is a belief that you are going to born in a bad karma, and only 3 Jews will save you from this suffering, and this is the reason why you follow Buddhism, and this is a reason why you seek salvation from these 3 Jews. So yes, this is quite similar to other religions. Only these gods offer you like salvation, something like that. And the second important question is that we are talking about the immortal existence, and the place where you can be immortal is believed to be heaven. So there is a question: do Buddhists go to heaven? As a Mongolian, I know that Mongolian Buddhists do go to heaven. They think that no, it is because of Tibetan Buddhists. So Tibetan Buddhists told Mongolian Buddhists that if you follow 3 Jews, Buddha, his teachings, and lamas, you will receive some kind of salvation, and you will go to heaven. But not every lama goes to heaven. And if you are lama and you did follow some certain rules, but you still had some anger or etc. etc. in your consciousness, in your next life you will be born in a God realm. And in the God realm, it is believed that these inhabitants of the God realm already knows about the heavenly realm of Bodha, and almost every inhabitant in the God realm is a Buddhist, and not everyone goes to this Buddhist realm, but everyone follows the Buddha, and they try to obey his law and order, something like that. So only in this Buddhist heaven you can have this immortal existence. And today I would like to talk about how this realm looks like. First, there is no such thing as a sun and moon in this realm, and you must know that land is flat. There's no such thing as high mountains and this big holes and rough terrain, etc., etc. And every block is made of a jewel. Here in this, Middle Earth, some materials, some stones are very rare and shiny. That's why they are called rare jewels. But in heaven, this is like a earth. This is like a dirt everywhere, and it is said every stone is like polished, and it's like perfect, like in game Terraria. They stack perfectly onto each other, and landscape is like awesome. And you can find these rivers and these lakes and pots with the strange shapes, geometrical shapes, and the water is so soft and so warm that this you can want to bath in this water like forever. And there is this wonderful trees are growing, and these trees are made from a valuable materials like gold, pearl, this diamond, etc., etc. And wonderful white flowers grow on them, and suddenly all the heaven blooms, and then it disappears, and it suddenly turns into a very green, etc., etc. And and people are not born in this realm from a woman's womb, and they are born in this from in the pond there is lotuses, and from this lotuses borns people. But these are not children, and there is no such thing as a children and old people in this Buddhist heaven. There's only 70 years old boys. Everyone is boys, and they have perfect penis, and perfect body. They have perfect look, and they are eternally 17 years old, and they are not they are not lustful. They don't know about what is sex, and they all they want is to be close to a Amida Bodha, or the living God Bodha. A living God Bodha in this Buddhist realm is 3 times higher than a normal human being. He is a red giant, and great light comes from his body, and he has some hair in his forehead between his eyebrows, and there is a 32 white hair spiraling on his forehead. So I made a video where I told you that you can count 32 white bottles, but in heaven you can count 32 white hair of a Bodha from his forehead. So in Buddhist heaven there is no such thing as a female gender, there is no such thing as a sex, and there's of course these animals, and these animals are so wonderful, and maybe these creatures have this earthly names, but they are more beautiful and more, they sing and everything is like happy. So Buddhists say that you need to believe in this stuff, and you need to promote this Buddhist heaven to people, and you must tell it to this everyone you know, and if you do it, and you will receive a good karma, and in your next life you are going to receive a good life. Well, I have put where I found this description of a Buddhist heaven from this video, and I have put it in the description. Well, that was pretty much for today, and thanks for watching.